Look at this dude. You guys want to see what's on the desk? Look. He So yeah, all right. So we got some cricket bites, right? So we got some bugs. So this is mixed bugs, and we got a whole variety. I think we got grasshoppers, crickets. What else is in here? Field crickets, silkworms. We got worms, baby. Oh yeah. And this is not
a mouse. I know. Why is it not a mouse? Why?
No,
what is it?
no,
What
no.
is this?
This is not a what do you call it? It's not seasoned at all. So apparently it tastes really bad.
It's not seasoned? Why did they season it?
That's what I'm saying. So I got some seasoned stuff for us American people.
Excellent.
We got cricket bites. These are all crickets. It got 6 grams of protein. This is the buffalo wing sauce.
Ooh, eating like Bear Grylls tonight.
We got some hickory smoked bacon. We got some cool cheesy ranch, and we got some power bars. So this is actually made out of cricket protein, so mashed crickets, and apparently crickets are way healthier for us and also healthier for the environment. So I wanted to see how this tastes. You know, it's like a protein kind of bar, but let's see how it tastes. And look at Lucas, man. He looks so excited.
Dude, I can't wait. I'm so excited, guys. Yeah.
You guys like the new lighting though? Changed up the lighting a little bit, right? Got the little
lighting cube.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like fake plants.
Exactly.
But it lights up the scene.
So I got that. Got the cool little reflective basketball there as well. Changed up the lighting, and there's Raina right there just chilling. But let's see how this all tastes.
Let's see.
All right, so welcome back to Test Dummies. Today we're gonna be trying insects. I've tried insects before, not that bad.
You have?
Yeah, I've tried many insects.
I don't think I've tried any insects before.
Really? Okay, so I
You just did that for fun? Or like it was just like, you did that like for fun?
Yeah, for fun. Just like try it out. You know, I've had crickets before and grasshopper, and the texture is weird, but then the taste, like if it's made with kind of like, you know, like salt and stuff, it's not bad. It's not bad. So
I feel like it depends on what the animal's eating.
yeah, so look, we got some mixed bugs here, and if you guys do want to try these out, we'll leave links below. I don't know if you guys want to try it out, but it is healthier for the environment, and this is, like we said before, this is not seasoned. So you want to smell? It doesn't really smell like anything. It smells more like...
What does that smell like? It's not terrible.
Yeah, it's not terrible.
It's something I smelled before. I don't know what it was though.
You guys can see some macro shots as well of these things. Look,
like why there's like wings and like
yes,
antennae.
And eyeballs, right? So here's a grasshopper for you. Which one do you want to try?
What?
Which one do you want? Don't look at it, bro. You can't look at it.
What's the? Did they
You just
tell
go
you
like
that?
this. Yeah, just look at the camera and just, and you'll be fine.
I feel like that's just wrong.
Yeah, it's gonna taste weird because it's not like seasoned, but it's just, I feel like it's just lightly roasted crickets.
I feel like I'm about to lose my whole meal that I had before this.
It's not that bad.
Which one's a cricket? What's a cricket? Is that like this one?
No, I think that's a cricket. Yeah, this is a cricket. That's a grasshopper.
Jeez, dude, I don't even know. It looks like they're mummified, dude.
Look, you can try the worm too. Here's a worm.
Dude, I'll have a worm.
A worm?
Yeah, I'll have a worm.
Worms are nasty.
I'll have a worm well before I'll have like a...
What? Okay.
You gotta eat one too, dude.
I know, I will. I want to see your reaction
Get
first.
in there, let's cheers it.
I'll eat the entire thing. I don't mind. I just want you to...
Something's wrong with you,
I want to
man.
see his reaction.
Something's wrong with you.
No. Look at it. When you look at it, it kind of gives you that, like, I don't want to eat it anymore, you know?
Yeah, and I feel like that's gonna make my body like reject it. Like, what if it's actually good? And I'm just like, because I'm psyching myself out. It's like escargot, you know?
It's not. Ooh. Doesn't taste like it. Right? It's just whatever.
You know what?
What?
It tastes like if protein powder didn't have flavor, like if you didn't have chocolate protein powder, it was just protein, which I think is pretty much what these are.
Yeah.
That wasn't terrible. Ooh. But it's just like, it's chalky.
It is. It's very chalky.
You take a bite and it just like turns into like chalk in your mouth, and it's a weird consistency.
The texture, like I said, was weird, but here, I'll have a grasshopper, right? Look at that.
Are they all chalky like that?
Yeah, they're pretty much all chalky. So you can see the eyeball too.
Dude, I don't.
This tastes kind of like shrimp.
That one tasted like, oh, you know what it is? It's like the snap peas. It's like those things, like the dry ones. That's what it's like.
Yeah.
That's what the flavor and the smell is a little bit like.
Yeah, so like, it tastes bad because it's not seasoned, right? You want to try the grasshopper?
Dude, this thing straight up looks like something like you'd find like under your bed, and you're like, oh, I don't know how long that thing's been dead for.
Oh God.
Oh,
You can see the wings on that bad boy.
I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Dude, that's disgusting.
Show the macro shot right now, you know what I mean?
God, dude, why is it so gross?
Try it out.
This one's gonna have to go down with some water.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely?
Yeah.
Don't reassure that.
It doesn't taste that good, trust me.
I just want to swallow it. I don't even want to chew it.
Good protein. For them games.
I don't want to put this in my mouth, bro.
Come on, you can do it.
Dude,
I'll do it with you.
I would do the spicy hot sauce again over it. Can I put Tapatio on it?
No, you can't do that. Look at the wings on there.
I don't like it.
Ready?
I don't like
3, 2, 1, go. Just crunchy. There's really no taste. It's just chalky.
That was better. That was better than the worm.
Yeah, I told you the worm tastes terrible.
Yeah, the worm was shitty.
Yeah.
That one wasn't that bad.
So we've tried the lightly roasted crickets or insects, and now we're gonna try the flavored seasoned one. So let's try the buffalo wing sauce.
And the crickets, what was that I just had? That was a cricket?
I think that was a grasshopper.
I feel so bad. I'm like so unfamiliar with these. An insect's an insect to me.
So the big one is grasshopper, and then the smaller ones are like the ones with the wings are crickets. So let's try some of this. You can see like the powder on there. Kind of reminds me of like Doritos or something.
In what world?
No, with the powder, you know what I mean? The powder, right?
It's like, bro.
So we got some of them tasty crickets. Oh, he just tried it out. Yes. It's still chalky, but more flavorful.
That reminds me of sunflower seeds.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
Reminds me of playing baseball.
Wow. It does.
Right?
Yeah.
It tastes good. This said barbecue, right?
Yeah, this was like buffalo wing sauce.
That's good.
It's good.
That's good. That's pretty good.
Let's try the
I think protein. How many?
6 grams of protein, baby, per serving.
Oh, per pack.
Oh, per pack. Oh, that's...
1 serving is the entire pack.
Damn.
I guess they're small.
It's like so chalky that if you breathe in, you kind of like breathe in the chalky stuff. All right, so that's the ranch one. It's kind of like more of a light powder, obviously. You think Cassie would... You should take a pack home.
He would die.
It's his girlfriend, and his girlfriend can't eat anything.
He would not like this at all. I don't like this at all.
Really? All right, so we got ranch. I love ranch, though. It smells like ranch too, obviously, like cheesy. That's good.
That's okay.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
What? That's good.
Yeah, it's pretty bomb.
Wow. Let
me get like a handful of those.
Yeah.
I want to try like a handful.
That's pretty. Ooh, okay.
Oh, geez, that was a lot.
He said that's a lot, and then he puts 1 bag.
A lot.
It's not bad, right? If you season it, I mean, obviously, if you get like steak and you don't season it at all, obviously it's not gonna taste good, right? So same thing with this. I feel like I like the ranch a little bit better than the other one.
I like the barbecue better.
The buffalo wing sauce?
Yeah.
This one is hickory smoked bacon.
They're getting too creative. They just really want you to eat crickets.
Oh, that smells good.
I don't know what that is.
It smells like bacon.
Fragrant.
It smells like... Ooh, that's a lot. But let's try this one. Yo, this is so weird, but like, it's
never
not bad.
in a million years did I think I would be doing this.
Yo, this is kind of good. You just can't think about it. You just
That's weird. Because it's The bacon kicks in after a couple bites.
Yeah, definitely.
It's like that back of the mouth sort of like aftertaste.
It has like a smoky flavor.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's like a smoky aftertaste.
Yeah. That's not bad, honestly.
I think the barbecue is my favorite.
Really?
So if you're going out to buy cricket bites, barbecue is amazing.
Ranch. I like the ranch. The ranch one. That's not bad. The only thing I hate is the chalky.
Yeah.
It's like so dry.
Like you wouldn't want it if it was wet too. That'd be nasty. It's like
dude.
moist, dude.
But I wish like the texture was better. I mean, the texture is like I feel like you have to drink something after.
Yeah, it's like not their fault. That's just how it's a dried animal. Like of course it's gonna be like chalky, but
yeah. All right, you ready for the? So this is crushed crickets. So it's like I don't think there's gonna be a crazy cricket flavor. But ooh, okay. So it's like look at that. It looks like
whoa.
It looks like Dookie, but it looks like Dookie, but smell that. It smells very fruity.
It said cocoa orange.
Oh yeah, it does smell like orange. Yeah, you're right.
Get this thing open. This looks like space food.
Yeah.
This looks like
it looks like Dookie, honestly.
what they'd feed to like astronauts. Oh, you went in for it.
I mean, there's really nothing disgusting about it as far as like bugs. There's not like bug legs or anything because it's crushed. But as far as the flavor goes, it tastes like crap. I mean, it doesn't taste like crap. It's like kind of bitter. There's a little bit of an orange flavor.
Not pretty good.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't really like it that much. It kind of reminds me of, you know, like the cranberry, kind of like those strippy things. The fruit is like dry and you like mash it up and it makes like a strip.
No, this reminds me of those like, you know, the big boxes of chocolates that are given as like gifts to like the expensive like big boxes, a bunch of chocolates you didn't know which one you're gonna get.
Oh yeah.
You know, like Forrest Gump?
Yeah.
It's like when you get the shitty one that had the fruit in it and you're like, damn it, I just want a chocolate.
Yeah.
I don't taste cricket at all.
Yeah.
If you handed this to me and this was like, yo, this is like a chocolatey protein bar, I'd be like, oh, okay.
I mean, yeah, it just tastes like a regular bar thing that's supposed to be healthy for you. There's 10 grams of protein.
Yeah, it's high in
vitamin B12.
it's got magnesium, it's got vitamins, it's got protein in it. I think this is a very healthy bar.
Yeah, I mean, if you're looking for like a healthy bar that doesn't taste like great, then I feel like this is a good option.
Wait, 12 grams of sugar, but 0 grams of added sugars? So all of that's natural sugar?
I guess, right? From like orange or whatever, right?
Must be. That's impressive. That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, these bars, highlight of it. 100% highlight of it. I was shocked that I like crickets, but definitely you got to get them flavored. If you're not like used to this, if this isn't your standard palate, which I don't know where that is a standard, but if this isn't your standard like thing that you would eat, get the flavored ones, please. Do yourself a favor. The barbecue ones are good. The cheesy ranch ones are good. These bars are freaking phenomenal. They're excellent. But I mean, other than that,
they're bugs.
They're bugs.
You eat them. You just don't think about it. You just chew on it. It's a little crunchy. It's kind of just think of it like shrimp. Shrimp looks weird, you know. Shrimp actually looks like an insect. You know what I mean?
Oh, this would be a good like family game. You could do like truth or bug. You have to like eat the bug if you don't want to tell the truth about something. You know.
One thing I would never try is tarantula though. You want to try it? I saw a tarantula on Amazon. It's like expensive.
I saw them.
It's like $30. It's expensive, but you want to try it? If this video gets 100 likes, we'll have Lucas try it.
I'll do it. See, the problem is I actually really like tarantulas. Like I think they're so cool.
Oh, I thought you meant like
it's a little bit
like the taste.
Oh no, the taste I have no idea. I've never tried to eat one before.
Okay, yeah.
But I do like tarantulas. I think they're cool.
Imagine like these are smaller, so I feel like they're fine. But
do they take the hairs out? They're hairy, right?
I don't know what they do, man. I don't know.
Dude, I don't want to take a bite and just be like, you know, like
yeah. Just imagine like the intestines and all the stuff inside, like
hell no.
And like I don't know, but if you guys want to see that, 100 likes.
The bar.
Please don't like this video because I don't want to do it. But
please don't.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And of course, this is Test Dummies. If you guys have any other suggestions on what you guys want to see us try, leave them in the comments. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.